Goedendag。オランダ在住のアイナです。今日はお母さんから Sla met Komkommer という料理を習ったのでご紹介いたします。So, what have you done so far? Only this potato?
Ja, geschild.
Cut?
Yeah, cut the...
Peel and cut
Yeah.
and then...
Yeah, that. And salt.
You already boiled this?
No. No.
Just put it.
But let's put it on now. The hearts, take them off.
The core part?
Yeah, the heart is in this thing.
Ah, the center
Yeah.
part.
That's not tasty. We find. But this is my favorite.
Yeah, it's easier.
Yeah. Azijn.
Natur azijn.
Peper.
Wit.
Zout.
Natural
Ja.
white. Azijn.
Ja.
Vinegar? No.
Yeah.
Correct? Oh,
vinegar.
my guess was correct.
Yeah, it's vinegar.
Suiker is sugar, right?
Yeah.
So sugar and salt and white pepper and
Yeah, or
vinegar.
black, that is not
Okay, so
out is black.
is this a cucumber?
Yeah.
It's so big.
He is small.
Really?
Yeah.
This is small.
Yeah.
Well, Japanese size is like this much and very thin.
Normally people use a knife for to do this.
Yeah? It's a
It's-
cheese slicer, right?
Yeah, but I use that because it is not so.
Yeah.
But when I do it with a knife, then I have not much over.
Yeah, that looks very convenient. Is it your idea?
Yeah. Yeah, but I think more people do it. I think.
I see.
You take this side.
Thin slice.
And you have one also.
Me?
Yeah, upstairs.
Ah, I see. The same one?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. And it has many sides, so you can choose.
Yeah.
Depends on the food or
What
menu.
you want to do.
Yeah.
This is the bigger one.
For a radish or something?
Nee, also for komkommer kan, but also radish. Yeah. Okay.
So a bit of salt, pepper.
This for the salad. And now you have kept the shock. Now you are in shock. I'm for sure
Yeah,
that you are in shock.
it's sugar, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Now you are in shock.
yeah, definitely.
But this vinegar is very sour. And you must use many of it.
Yeah, I can smell it. Very vinegar smell.
There is it. You are in shock now.
Yeah, it's better not to see.
When you eat it, it's still sour.
So vinegar wins still,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
I already knew how much you used. Oh, this is not raw. This is not raw.
No.
You boiled it
Yes,
beforehand.
we don't eat raw.
Yeah.
You do, but we don't.
Well, I meant I thought you would do something like mix together or something.
No.
But have you ever tried sukiyaki?
Yeah, but
And
not
you-
the egg.
Oh, you didn't try the raw
Not
egg.
the egg, no.
Oh.
No, these eggs are very fresh. And you can see because you cannot pellen. This-
Skin?
This is not easy to do.
Oh yeah, stick together.
Yeah.
So not yet. Nog niet. Right?
Nog niet.
Nog niet. So now it's the time.
So I start with this. It's special for pork.
Oh yeah, it's just varken.
Yeah. But you can use pepper, salt. It's also okay. But I want a different taste because this one. Then you can start with this one.
So you put this vegetable in the fridge for like how?
For cold. Little bit cold. Then you do this. And this do you in this one. So. Smells good.
Yeah.
A
Onion?
little, yeah, a little bit, not too much.
How does?
That is the salad dressing. And let's go to the meat. What I smell and let's go to the meat. Yeah.
Well, the butter is also quite shocking amounts to me though.
So this is very quick meat. It is in a couple of minutes. It is ready. Oh, come on. You think you have much of sugar, but it is not true.
Well, but I already saw.
Yeah, you saw. But you cannot eat the vinegar alone.
That's true. Okay, it's finished.
Yeah. I need the plate for the meat.
はい、ということでこんな感じでお母さんからレシピをいろいろ学んでいます。またオランダ料理はぼちぼち紹介していけたらなと思っております。それでは皆さんご視聴ありがとうございました。またお会いしましょう。トチーンズ。チャンネル登録と高評価良ければ押していただけると嬉しいです。Don't forget to subscribe and if you like it, give me a thumbs up.